How's it feel?
It's amazing.
Good.
It is really amazing.
Awesome.
Especially because my daughter's been sending me pictures and Tom's been showing me pictures of when I was quite younger.
Yeah.
And honestly, these teeth look the same. So how he did that, I don't know. But it's really amazing when you are given something that looks like a temporary retainer for the wrong person and being told this is the best we can do, and then have this. But it's by somebody else. Somebody amazing that was patient and very, very kind. I am a very blessed person, and I have amazing teeth that only took a month maybe to have done after 6-7 years of being invaded in my mouth and being told this is it. He goes beyond the call of need or want. I was going to ask for 3 crowns on my right hand side that were off color and they didn't match, and my smile looked all broken, but I didn't dare because the other doctor, I didn't trust him anymore. I was just prayerful that he could do the right thing. And Dr. Gurney said, you know what, I'm going to add these 3 teeth without me even saying anything. He goes, so your mouth can be, look normal and complete in color. That was without me even saying a word because I couldn't afford it. I couldn't afford any of it. And he made it very affordable and very humbling, but with a lot of gratitude also. Everybody here is they're just people who want to help people. It's been an amazing experience. So I'm very grateful.
Let me see that pretty smile now.